I am Rizwan Islam, student of Flower Garden Academy. Good morning to all of you. Today I am here to present a speech on education and why it is important. Education is a very important role in everyone's life. It provides us knowledge. Education is the key to success. It gives us in taking the right decision. Education helps us to learn new things. It develops personality of a person. School education plays a great role in everyone's life. It makes us able to deal with difficult situations. If we are educated, then no one can cheat us. Education also helps us to think better. Assalamu alaikum.